So this big site project was fun. We had a lot of criteria that we had to meet for aesthetics. It's a very discerning architect and discerning client. To get to this project, you start in a typical mountain town and you weave your way through one of the most iconic valleys in the northwest Montana along Gallatin River into a town called Big Sky. There's an iconic Lone Peak Mountain. You arrive at this majestic luxury lodge on the side of a mountain. It's breathtaking. I think in this project, when you walked into the residence, everything complemented each other and there wasn't one talking point. The talking point was the home. And I think that's what our goal was. We had to integrate a lot of systems, from distributed audio to displays, TVs, custom theater, integration to lighting controls, window treatments, even electronic tinting glass. All those had to be under one interface to simply control the system. One of the challenges that we had was that, do we simply use just a consumer grade product that would sit on a counter and have voice control? Speakers had to be discreet. They had to blend into the aesthetics. They had to complement each other. We surround ourselves with a good group of core people that fit our culture and we want to work with, and we believe that they provide an excellent product that we can all stand behind. And James and Sonance were one of those companies that brought that to the table. So we were able to work with them collectively throughout the entire residence to achieve all these goals. We had to complement the vision that the architect had, that he was trying to achieve the dream of this client. And that's why we chose select products such as small aperture speakers, discrete subwoofers that could be concealed in floor and ceiling and wall, and not have a large grill that would just draw your eye to it. You really have to decide, like, what is the end experience, and the experience was worth every penny to go and blend it in and distribute the audio equally throughout the home and not have hotspots take up counter space, not complement the architecture.